So here it is. I've got the car cleaning kit out. The only time this gets used is before we go to a car show or when I'm selling a car. So it doesn't get used very often. Bit of Poor Boy's World, some clay lube. Lovely. Extra gloss protection. Super resin polish, wheel protector, clean wheels. What's this one? Vinyl and rubber. What else we got in here? Tyre dressing, carpet shampoo. What's this one? Interior shampoo. Is it another poo? If I can get it out, oh, that's fast class. Well, that's quality. What we got here? Tyre dressing. Alright, looks like I have to go and find my shampoo. Bugger. And there's the shampoo. Yep, that's what we got. I mean, it's yeah, you can tell it's just been sat in the garage for a long time. I didn't even know we had that. But unfortunately, I've run out of auto clean. I can't remember using the last of it. It just goes to show I don't wash my van that often. Oh well. Let's get out there and start cleaning the car. So this is a Vauxhall Zafira 1.8. It is the design. So it's a 16 valve petrol, registered in 2008. It's on a 58 plate. It has done currently 102,000 miles. It's going in for an MOT tomorrow, which will be July the 27th. Hopefully it will go straight through the MOT. I've gone through everything, checked everything. Everything looks good. Brakes look good. Tyres are okay. We had to put a new tyre on there, so there is one new tyre. The other three tyres all look okay. There's a few marks on the rear bumper. That rear light has a little crack at the bottom. I'll show you that in a little bit more detail in a moment. At the front of the car, let's go grab the keys. Let's have a look at the engine, and like I said, it's the 1.8 16 valve Ecotech. Yeah, everything works on it, it's all good, happy days. Regularly serviced. Unfortunately, because this was my dad's car and I'm selling it on behalf of him, and he passed away a couple of months ago, we can't seem to find any of his paperwork for the vehicle. All we've got is the V5. All the books that came with it, we have no idea. We were lucky that we found the locking wheel nut that was in a bin. He'd put it into the bin bag and that was in his room, and we were lucky we found them. But you can see there's quite a few little, your average stone chips on the bonnet. And the rest, the car's straight. It's a lovely straight car. Interior is really good. It looks brand new now. And like I said, 102,000 miles on the clock. And my dad, he used to, when he drove it, he never took it over 2,000 RPM. And he only drove it literally to the doctors or to the shop. And the shop's less than 2 miles, and his doctor, again, less than 2 miles. So it was, and occasionally he'd drive to my brother's, and I think that was 5 miles away. So the car didn't get used for long trips at all. But he liked it, it done him well. He never had any problems with it. And of course it was a 7-seater, so he had the 7 seats in case he ever took the grandchildren out. But what happened was he ended up having the seats flat down in the back, and he had his mobility scooter in the back, but he never seemed to get out in it anyways. That's why the car's still quite low mileage, but it's in really good condition. It make a great family car, and I think on book value these, maybe £1,000, £1,500 these go for. Parker's value guide between 800 and 1,500, I think. My mum went through and she put a price through for We Buy Any Car, and she had it up at £1,500 they offered her. But that's with all the service history, and we can't seem to find that at the moment. But we will look for it because we do have it. And that's it. It's a lovely car, and I'll get it MOT tomorrow. And then as soon as it's MOT'd, if anyone's interested, comment down below, either that or I will leave a link down below once it's past its MOT, and we'll put it onto eBay. And then I'll take some more photos closer up of all the little marks, and we can go from there. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Safe.